Well, Eamon O'Hara, fantastic win for Antrim, who've been in the doldrums a bit and real battling performance, but it was lousy luck on Fermanagh at the end there, wasn't it?
That's championship football days, you know. Antrim really win for this game today. They languished in Division 4, third from bottom, and you know, Baker did actually mention in an article during the week that Antrim football in the league didn't reflect exactly how they were actually going, and from the word go they really went for it, and you know, blew Fermanagh out of the water. Everybody was expecting a Fermanagh win, particularly being in Brewster Park, and you know, Antrim really went for it and deserved the game at the end of it.
Yeah. Pat, Ulster football, you've been a critic of Ulster football. That was a high-scoring thriller.
Yeah, I'm usually negative about Ulster football, and that's merely reflecting what's happening on the field, which is usually negativity and two teams trying to stop each other from playing. Today's match was an absolutely outstanding, very positive attacking game of football. 36 scores, 13 different scorers, 5 goals and 21 points scored from play. This was an Antrim team that scored a mere 6 points last year. But I was looking through the backroom staff, and while Baker's in charge, he has his son, one of the greatest forwards to come out of Ulster in the last 20 years, Paddy Bradley, as a forwards coach. And maybe there's a lesson there that could be taken out of tonight, that instead of being overpacked with various statisticians and dietitians and strength and conditioning coaches and performance coaches and psychologists, the one thing every team should have is a forwards coach, because to win a game you must score more than the opposition. So well done to Antrim for an absolutely great performance, and well done too to Fermanagh, who came, you know, in the last, they were 11 points down, was it, scored 2-4 to 1 points in the last 10 minutes, and only for that shot being cleared off the goal. And so look, if it walks like a duck and quacks like a duck, it's a duck. If it's a bad game, it's a bad game. That was a damn good game of football, and I'm happy.
I'm always nervous when the duck emerges on a Sunday night.
But it's a good night. It's a good night.
Yeah, Desi Dolan,